Hello. Welcome to Mr. Leo English. I am very happy you are here today. Before we start, I want to ask you something very important. Do you have a dream? Please stop for 1 second. Do not answer fast. Think slowly. Yes, you have a dream. Everyone has a dream. Today is not only an English lesson. Today, we talk about your dream, and we also talk about how to make your dream real. This lesson is easy English. This lesson is for A1 beginners. I will speak slowly. I will use simple words. I will repeat important ideas. Please relax. Please listen calmly. Just follow my voice. Now, let's begin. First, let's talk about something very simple. What is a dream? A dream is something you want in your life. A dream is something you hope for. A dream is something you think about again and again. A dream is not just sleeping at night. A dream is not just a story. A dream is real. A dream lives in your heart. Your dream can be small. Your dream can be big. For example, you want to speak English well. You want a better job. You want a happy life. You want peace. These are dreams. Now listen carefully. I have a dream. Please repeat slowly. I have a dream. Good. Your dream is important, even if no one talks about it, even if no one understands it. Your dream is for you. Now, let's go deeper. Why do people have dreams? People have dreams because they want more. More happiness, more freedom, more safety, more meaning. People have dreams because life is not perfect. Some people are tired. Some people feel lost. Some people feel stuck. A dream gives hope. I have a dream because I want a better life. My life is okay, but I want to grow. I want to change. Listen carefully. I want a better life. Repeat. Good. Now ask yourself, why do you have a dream? Is it for money? Is it for your family? Is it for yourself? All answers are okay. Now let's talk about your dream. This is your moment. Please think slowly. What do you really want? Not what people want for you, not what your family says, not what society says. What do you want? Your dream can be very simple. For example, my dream is to speak English. My dream is to find a job. My dream is to live calmly. Simple dreams are powerful. Now listen. My dream is blank. Pause the video. Say it out loud. Even if your voice is quiet, even if you feel shy, your dream needs your voice. Good job. Now let's talk about a very common dream. Dream about work. Work is a big part of life. We work many hours. We think about work every day. Many people say, my dream is to be a teacher. My dream is to be a doctor. My dream is to work in an office. My dream is to have my own business. Work dreams are not only about money. Work dreams are about feeling useful, feeling proud, feeling safe. Listen carefully. My dream is to have a good job. Repeat. Good. Ask yourself, what kind of work makes me feel good? What kind of work helps people? That can be your dream. Now, let's talk about another kind of dream. Dream about life. Some people do not care about job titles. They care about life. For example, my dream is to be happy. My dream is to live a simple life. My dream is to have time for myself. Life dreams are quiet, but they are very strong. Listen. My dream is to be happy. Repeat. Good. Life dreams are about peace. Life dreams are about balance. Now, let's talk about travel dreams. Many people dream about travel. They want to see the world. They want to feel free. For example, my dream is to travel to Japan. My dream is to travel to Europe. My dream is to travel with my family. Travel dreams are about curiosity. They are about new experiences. Listen, my dream is to travel. Repeat. Good. Now, let's talk about time. When did you have this dream? Some people have dreams when they are young. Some people find dreams later. I have this dream now. I think about my dream every day, in the morning, at night, when I feel tired. Listen carefully. I think about my dream every day. Repeat. Good. It is never too late. Is your dream easy or hard? Now, be honest. Is your dream easy or is your dream hard? Many dreams are hard. Learning English is not easy. Changing life is not easy. Sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes you feel slow. Sometimes you want to stop. But listen carefully. Hard dreams are okay. Slow progress is okay. Stopping is not okay. Listen. I try every day. Repeat. Good. Now let's talk about feelings. How do you feel about your dream? Do you feel happy? Do you feel excited? Do you feel scared? All feelings are normal. I feel happy. I feel excited. Sometimes I feel afraid. Dreams are strong. Dreams wake us up. Listen carefully. My dream gives me energy. Repeat. Good. Now we move to a very important part. Part 2. How can you make your dream real? First step. Write a dream journal. A dream journal is a notebook. You write about your dream. Why is this important? Because writing makes your dream clear. When your dream is clear, your mind knows where to go. You can write, my dream, why I want it, how I feel. Listen carefully. I write about my dream. Repeat. Good. Write every day. Even one sentence is enough. Second step. Use affirmations. An affirmation is a positive sentence. You say it to yourself. You repeat it every day. For example, I can learn English. I am getting better every day. I believe in myself. Affirmations help your mind. They make you stronger. Listen carefully. I believe in myself. Repeat slowly. Good. Say it every morning. Say it every night. Your mind listens to your words. Now the third step. Visualize your dream. Draw it. This means you see your dream in your mind. Close your eyes. Imagine your dream. See yourself speaking English. See yourself smiling. See your new life. You can also draw your dream. Draw your job. Draw your house. Draw your happy life. This makes your dream real in your mind. Listen, I see my dream. Repeat. Good. Now let's put everything together. A dream needs clear words, positive thoughts, clear pictures. Write it, say it, see it, draw it. Small steps every day. What did we learn today? Now let's review. Today you learned what a dream is, why people have dreams, how to talk about your dream, dreams about work, dreams about life, dreams about travel, easy or hard dreams, feelings about dreams, how to write a dream journal, how to use affirmations, how to visualize and draw your dream. You learned a lot today. Be proud of yourself. Now, please listen carefully. Your dream is important, even if it is small, even if it is slow. Do not stop because it is hard. Do not stop because people doubt you. One small step every day is enough.
Write your dream. Say your dream. See your dream. Believe in yourself. Keep learning. Keep going. One day, your dream can come true. Thank you for learning with me today. Please like the video. Please subscribe to Mr. Leo English. Write in the comments, my dream is blank. I want to read your dream. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye. Take care.